My name's Kyle Salvato. I'm one of the new DZOs here at Skydive City along with my wife Lauren and our daughter Kailani. Here at Skydive City, our commitment to safety, family values, superior maintenance, and integrity, as well as customer service are our core values. Come check us out here at Skydive City.
The first stop on your journey to become a citizen is Manifest.
Welcome to Skydive City. Wir sind jetzt im Fallschirmspringen.
Genau. I just need to see your USPA membership, your current logbook, and an up-to-date reserve card. And make sure to bring your rig in so that we can check your seal. Manifest out the window or download the BurbleMe app. From here, you can go ahead and set Skydive City, Zephyr Hills as your drop zone. You'll be able to add money and manifest onto the next load right from your app.
Don't chase your cutaways.
Don't forget, don't cross the runway under 500 feet.
After you land, make sure you check for traffic. And if you need to cross the taxiway, make sure you use the marked crossings.
Also located here, Sunshine Factory, where we've been providing gear to skydivers around the world for 40 years. Don't forget to stop into Sunshine Factory. We have brand new canopies, rental containers, everything that you're gonna need from altimeters, helmets, stickers. We're here to serve you. If we don't, somebody else will.
Also at Zephyr Hills is Tony Suits. We've been making custom skydiving apparel for 45 years. Everything you need for wingsuits, jumpsuits, camera suits, pre-flight suits, tailored to make you fly better.
Experienced licensed skydivers. Learn about our upcoming events and the community on our fun jumping website, skydive.city.